All right, let's get started. A Poolish or a biga is the pre-fermented dough from the day before. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 50 grams of starter, put it in a bowl. This will be right out of that mason jar. We're going to add 50 grams of water. Go ahead and mix that up. By mixing that up, what's going to happen is you're going to be able to break that yeast down into that water. Let's go grab 50 grams of all-purpose flour. Make sure it's on the money. Give it a little mixy-mixy. What you're trying to do here is you're trying to make a dough, a batter, so that it can ferment overnight. Again, you've spent 5 days building this thing up, so it's ready to go. There you go. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that, we're going to wrap it with plastic wrap, we're going to set it aside. This is what you're going to do first thing in the morning. And then there's still some starter left. So in this case, this is my starter that I live with, but you're going to pull yours out of the mason jar. Go ahead and throw like a ton of it away. I mean, I hate to say that, but get rid of it. I leave about maybe 10% left. And then what I do is mix that stuff up. Mix it up with a little bit of water. And again, there's really no right answer here. You want to make sure that you get kind of like that thicker than pancake batter. Go ahead and feed it with a little bit of all-purpose flour, some water. Again, 10% of the existing starter. Mix it up real well. And then what we're going to do is we're going to keep it in that same container. So again, if you're working on that jar, just keep working on the jar. Now here's where the fun part gets. I like to make a starter that's a little on the drier side, like somewhere around 55 to 60% hydration. So just make sure that you're able to take it out of the jar or get it out of the bowl, and you can make a little ball. Get all those extra particles of flour. Yep, just like that. And then I'm gonna roll it up into a ball, just like that. Throw it right in the bowl and wrap it with plastic wrap. Do this every other day.